Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular kitchen appliances for healthy cooking: the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven and the air fryers. We will evaluate them based on various categories and see how they stack up against each other. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. The air fryers is undoubtedly the more budget-friendly option, priced at just $2. On the other hand, the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven may seem pricey at $149, but you get a lot of features and versatility for that investment. When it comes to cooking capacity, the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven takes the lead with 45% larger usable pan cooking area compared to the air fryers. You can fit a 13 inches pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts in the Ninja oven, whereas the air fryers is better suited for smaller portions. The Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven offers 8 cooking functions, including air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm, giving you the ultimate meal-making machine. The air fryers, on the other hand, is a simpler device with temperature control and one-button start, making it easy to operate but lacking in versatility. Both products claim to offer healthier cooking with the use of rapid air circulation technology and reduced oil. However, the Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven is specifically designed with digital crisp control technology and can cook with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying, whereas the air fryers do not offer such precision-controlled temperature and heat source. Cleaning both products is easy and hassle-free. The Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven comes with a removable crumb tray and an easily accessible back panel for deep cleaning. Likewise, the air fryers is equipped with detachable compartments, the pull-out drawer and removable basket, which require only a simple hand wash to clean. And that's it for our comparison. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. So which one is better for you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more content like this. Thank you for watching.